Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn VSync on or off in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing the settings menu clipboard in the main menu, or by pressing the escape key and then going into settings. Once here, select graphics. Look for VSync. Here you can toggle it on or off. If toggled on, this will lock your frames per second to your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if you have 60 Hz monitor, this will lock you to 60 frames per second. VSync prevents any screen tearing by doing so. If you experience any screen tearing, toggle it on. If you don't experience any screen tearing during your gameplay, you can simply ignore it. Once you are done here, simply press apply to save the changes. Then close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.